young, smart, forward-thinking, and you want to start building your credit at an early age, congratulations. Most people don't start thinking about credit until they need it.
In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 different types of credit cards you can have when you're a teenager. We're going to talk about how to get credit cards when you're under 18, when you're over 18, and then we're going to talk about the pros and cons because you need to know both sides.
So when you're done watching this video, you need to make sure you check out our credit building playlist, and you have to download our credit building system. This system is going to allow you to build your credit on autopilot, and it is amazing. Link's going to be in the description below, so like I said, make sure you check it out when this video is over. Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe, click on that little bell so you can get our notifications when we put out new content, and then in the comments below, let us know what you want credit for. Okay, so let's be real. If you're under the age of 18, it's going to be pretty hard to get things in your own name unless you have help from your parents or your guardians. I mean, if you don't, you're not allowed to get a credit card. You're not allowed to get a car loan. I mean, you're not allowed to get an apartment or nothing until you turn 18 years old. I mean, but you need credit, right? You have to be able to have credit to get an apartment, sometimes get a job, cell phone, get bills in your name. So what are you supposed to do?
Owning a credit card is a huge responsibility, even for most adults. So a lot of people don't really think that teenagers should have a credit card or need a credit card. However, it can definitely help you be more financially independent when you are an adult. So even if you have a good family life, you should want to have freedom. That's the whole reason why most people want to move out, is for more freedom and privacy, right? And having your own credit will help you do those things.
Okay, let's get started. There's 3 ways that you can build your credit. If you're 18 years or older, anyways. Thing number 1, you can get a regular unsecured credit card. Thing number 2, you can get a secured credit card. Okay? And thing number 3, you can become an authorized user of someone else's credit card. Okay? All right. If you're under 18, you can only do one of those things. Can you guess which one it is? Authorized user on someone else's credit card. That is the one. If you guessed that, high five. If you didn't, I guess still high five. Yeah.
Okay, so the first way you can build credit is if you're over 18, you can apply for a regular credit card, which is known as an unsecured credit card, but you have to have a job in order to qualify to apply for one of these. So in order to do that, you got to provide like a W-2 or a pay stub from your employer, and then that way you have proof that you can actually pay back the money you borrow.
Yeah, I mean, those lenders want to know they're going to get their money back. Like, hello. Duh. Way number 2, getting a secured credit card. Okay, this is going to be different than an unsecured credit card, and you can apply for these without having a job. Yes, very nice. Okay, now to get one of these, you have to put down a security deposit. All right, this is going to be anywhere from like $50 to $500. Okay. Once you put down that security deposit, they're going to approve you for the card, and then that security deposit is going to become your credit limit. Okay, so if you put down $500, your security limit, or excuse me, your credit limit is going to be that $500. All right. Now, you still use it like a regular credit card. You make your purchases, and then you'll pay back that amount of money that you purchased. Okay, so if you spent $50, you have to pay back $50. The $500 that you put down as your security deposit is not going towards that. Okay, they're going to use that security deposit to pay your balance if you don't make the payments for whatever reason. All right, you don't want that to happen. Bad juju for your credit that you're trying to build. So don't do it.
So we really don't recommend using your credit card like a debit card, because that's advice that a lot of people give, is put a bunch of stuff on your credit card and then pay it off at the end of the month. Hard no. What we do recommend is you put a small recurring charge on your credit card every single month, something like a gym membership or Spotify or Netflix or whatever, something you already pay for, and then set it up to be automatically paid off. That way you don't forget, because we're human, we're busy, we got busy lives, and we forget to do things. And if you set it up to be automatically charged every month and then automatically paid off every month, boom, good credit history, quick.
On autopilot, like the system that we have in the downloads. Yeah, check it out. Yeah. If you decide to close your account, you're going to get your security deposit back. Okay? If you keep your account and you show that you're credit worthy by making your payments on time and paying them in full, the creditor could, or will, give you your deposit back, and they might even convert your card from a secured credit card to an unsecured credit card. Big boy status. Yes.
Okay, so the last option is becoming an authorized user on somebody else's card. So it doesn't matter whether you're 13, 21, or 30. This is a great option if you're looking to build your credit. So it's going to help you if you get on somebody's card who uses it responsibly, which means they pay it off on time, they don't keep a big balance on there. But it can also hurt your credit if you get on the wrong person's card who misses payments. They don't carry a small balance on it. They max it out all the time. So just be aware that while it can help you build credit, it can also hurt your credit. But if you're under 18, this is the only way you can build credit.
Only way. The minimum age requirements are going to vary from card to card. But on average, the age is going to be between 13 and 16 for most credit card companies. So if your parents are awesome and they have good credit, you should ask them what type of card they have and if you're able to get on their card or not. Because, that's just going to help you out.
But Philip, what happens if my parents aren't awesome?
Ask your grandparents.
So if you want freedom and your parents want you to be successful at adulting, then you need to make a pitch to them about why they should add you as an authorized user.
Open up with something like, Mommy, Daddy, don't you want me to be successful when I grow it up? Don't you want to be 18 and move out of the house and never have to come back because you set me up to be a great adult?
Don't you want your own freedom, Mom and Dad?
Don't you want your own freedom, Mommy and Daddy?
What the
It's Peppa Pig. I got kids.
Studies have shown that 20% of teenagers actually have credit cards, and those who do get credit cards when they're younger typically have less issues repaying them when they're older and have higher credit scores, which is exactly what you and your parents should want.
But check it out, kids. Uncle Alex and Uncle Philip, we got you taken care of. Because we know that you guys are going to go to your parents and talk to them about this stuff, and you guys are just going to crash and burn that ship into the ground, right? They're going to be like, what? No, I'm not giving you a credit card.
Why would I give you a credit card?
You little bastard. Get out of here. Okay? So, we actually made a video that you can take to your parents and have them watch. And of course, it's got us in it, okay? Telling them, your parents, why they should let you have a credit card or be an authorized user on their credit card, okay? If you want to check out that video so you can show it to your parents, the link's going to be in the description below. So, there's your things to build your credit at 18. Time to get started. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. In the comments below, let us know if you have any questions.